guys, so we have this 2021 Tesla Model Y, and I'm gonna explain the reason why we charge for sunroofs more. A lot of customers sometimes they see the sunroof, so they're like, oh, well, it's so small, it's not too big. Well, it's kind of big, but it's not. I think, you know, anything can cover it. Normally the regular size roll says 40-inch. This one we have to use a 60-inch. So you can have an idea right there. I mean, this is how much we have to use a big roll in order to cover the whole roof. So that's a big sheet. I mean, now if you see it, you probably have a better idea exactly what we're talking about. So in order to cover just that, I mean, we have to use a bigger sheet. So this is the reason why. I'll show you guys when it's ready. Make a really quick video for this one. Pretty much we're just doing the two front windows matching, full windshield, and sunroof. So we're doing ceramic on the windshield, 70%. We're gonna match the two front ones, and we'll do 35 on the sunroof. So I just want you guys to see the reason why, guys. All right, stay tuned when it's done.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil.
It's completely ready. We just did two front windows matching, full windshield. We did 70% on the windshield. We did our nano ceramic XL IRP. So beautiful match. And as maybe you see the previous video, we're talking about sunroofs. Well, there you go, so it's ready. But again, guys, that's the reason why it's a huge piece. It's hard to, you know, pretty much install the materials well. It's not easy. It took me probably about 2.5 hours just to do that. So full sunroof. Again, you know, this one in the Model Y and Model X, it came with the stained glass. So that's why the reason we only do the two front ones matching and do windshield 70%. Let me show you guys the windshield 70. Inside looking out. Look like it's not even there. Match and a full sunroof. All right, guys, so enjoy this little quick video that I put together for you guys. Thank you.